Hey guys, welcome to Jesse's Insight. Here I'm going to show you how you can disable your seatbelt chime. This should work for most chargers. I know it works for 2005 till 2008 chargers. From the 2009 to 2012, not too sure on. So, as we all know, if you're driving around without your seatbelt on, like so, eventually your seatbelt's going to start making noise. Let's go for a little ride. There it goes. You can hear it going off now. So for these cars here to pass. Alright. So you can hear the seatbelt as it was just chiming there. It's going to chime again in a few seconds here. I'm going to show you how you get this deactivated so you don't hear this chime anymore. It's annoying. Like, who wants to wear the seatbelt while they're driving? Come on. Seriously. Now we're going to go pull over on the side here. There's all these snow piles. It's kind of hard to find a spot. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do is first turn off your car. Alright, once it's off, turn it on to put on your seatbelt first. So let's buckle up. Okay, with the key still in, turn it on. Now once your seatbelt thing goes off, like so, we're going to unbuckle and buckle it 3 times. So it's 1, 2, you have 60 seconds to do it in 2, 3. The last posture, it's got to be buckled in. Take it, your key, turn it off. You hear that chime? The chime means it's been deactivated. Now, I can pop my seatbelt off. We're going to start it up. And then go. The seatbelt thing's going to still stay on, but you won't hear the chime anymore. Pretty simple and easy to do. This works for, right now I'm driving a 2006 Charger. This will also work for 2007, 2008, 2005. It's in the manual. A lot of people don't really notice this. And as you see, we've been driving for a bit now, and I don't hear any